Over the past 17 years, we've journeyed across the globe together, discovering incredible destinations and embracing unforgettable experiences with a huge appetite for both travel and living abroad. We've spent weeks to months exploring Europe, parts of Southeast Asia, and Costa Rica, our home base, where we even built a home and often return for extended stays. Join us as we share the real stories behind our adventures, from the highlights to the challenges. Welcome to Travel Hogs. Follow along for an honest look at life on the road and abroad.
I usually don't make a recording of the front entrance. I usually go through the back, but let me show you the front entrance. So this is technically the front entrance, even though we hardly use it. This is, we've named this house La Valletta, basically little villa. And this is the front entrance. We have a keypad for our guests to enter, so no key. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, so let's go inside. So this is the living room, the kitchen, and so you've already seen that we completely open up these sliding pocketing windows, so it literally opens up the indoor-outdoor space, and we've got really high ceilings. I think it's somewhere into the 20s. I don't know how tall they are, but they're somewhere around 20 or 22 or something like that. But yeah. All right, so Corey wanted to know more about the guest house. Although I will say, when the rentals begin in November, you get the whole house, including the guest house. But let's go to the guest house. This is the barbecue area. And I don't know, have I shown... Actually, let me show you one more thing just before we go into the guest house. So this is the planter area. But yeah, that's underneath the barbecue. It came out good. Let's go into the guest house. So this is the guest house. It has
Suitcases already packed.
Suitcases. But you've got everything you need in the kitchen, full refrigerator, dishwasher, of course. These won't be here. These are for us.
No,
let's go to the bathroom. You've got the full bathroom, full shower. Okay. Then, oh, that's right. Let me show you washer and dryer. There it is. Sorry, the rug got in the way. We just put this rug down. Rugs make it feel a little bit homey. So then, I'll show you the view from here. So this is the view. And then this goes to your bedroom. So I think this is a queen, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's a queen size bed. But yeah, you've got the view from here. So there's the house. There's another window over here. So that's the view. The ocean is just over there. This is the view from up here. So yeah, it's a very cozy, comfortable guest house. Air conditioning, of course. I want to say it's probably just around the actual space is maybe 500 square foot. But because it's got an upstairs, that adds another 250 square foot. So it comes to close to 700, but the actual footprint is maybe about 500. But yeah, it's got like windows everywhere, which help with a lot of like natural light coming in. Got a window there, window there. You got obviously a window in the bathroom, right there. You got these massive windows. These shades come down. Got another shade up there that comes down. And we have a shade right there that comes down. Not only for privacy, but in case you want to just crank up the AC and not worry about anything. So yeah, and there's the house. Now next video, I'll switch over to what it's like to be in town. So this is Nosara. It's a cute little place. You'll see a couple of places coming up right now. It's a surf town, yoga retreat.
The beach is down there. You keep going, you'll hit the beach.
The beach is down there. You could rent quads over here. But we usually come here to the Harmony Hotel for like lunch. This is just one of the places we come to. And we'll record the inside of Harmony Hotel so you could see it. This is where we come for lunch.
And this is the pool. This is for guests, I'm guessing. And of course, this is right here. And some type of weird noise, but I don't know. Here's the menu. But yeah, if you do any type of research, you'll see that there's a lot going on in Nosara. Surfing, yoga, spas.
We should show the Bodhi Tree. Maybe when we go do the Bodhi.
Yeah, let's do the Bodhi Tree.
We should do sound bath and then show the Bodhi Tree, which I think would be very cool.
Yeah, show you around. We're showing you around town, and there's a jogger. You see, people do things.
There's an e-bike rental back there.
Yeah.
You can rent e-bikes.
You can rent e-bikes. You can do quads. You can do.
Oh, and pickleball is actually
Pickleball.
very big here. You can do pickleball. We've
Pickleball.
got pickleball courts. People do pickleball out here. Oh, this is one of the grocery stores we go to. Let me show you what it's like to go to a grocery store in town. It's actually really nice. And then you could order things over here. It's like a little Whole Foods. See? You have pretty much what you need for the most part. Well, we get most of our things here. Juices, clean juices, organic juices. Yeah. So this is right in town. Right next to the grocery store, this is a massage, manicure, pedicure place that we come here a lot. The Beauty Bar. Really cute. Obviously they speak English. But yeah, this is where we come. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, there's a rental car place right here, but they will bring the car to you. Well, I should say to us, to our house, to our driveway. But yeah, we're in Nosara. Nosara is much bigger than that strip. We just showed you one little section. This is the rental car place right here. But yeah, this whole area is basically Nosara.
Here's the gas station. This is a gas station, and behind that is a hardware store and a little plaza with really good coffee. There's a bank here. There's a couple of banks there, and a produce store. So this is once again part of Nosara, and this is heading back towards our house and we're gonna go by the airport, so you'll see the airport, the Nosara airport, and get a feel of how small the planes are in Nosara. But here's the supermarket, Rende Mas, and next to it is an Italian. They sell Italian food and like pastas and stuff that you can cook. But this is old Nosara, or this is original Nosara.
The other side that we were in is more tourist Nosara.
Yeah, this is if you want the heart of Nosara, this is real Nosara.
This is more locals. The other side is more tourists.
Yeah, and this is where the airport is on this side. But coming up,
this is the airport.
This is the airport.
Can you see it? Pick out where the airport is. This is the runway.
That's the runway.
This is literally the airport.
This is literally where you check in right there. And that's
the airport.
That's the airport.
So here we are at the Bodhi Tree. So let us show you what it's like upstairs. So we gotta climb all these stairs first. You gotta be in good shape to climb all these stairs and go up there. So I'll do that now. This is the entrance to the Bodhi. A couple of more stairs to go. Just hold on to it. So this is the entrance to the Bodhi Tree. And we're gonna do sound bath today. So we'll walk you that way and we'll show you what that's all about. You could stay here. This is an amazing place.
Have a good retreat.
There we go. So let's go do the sound bath. So you can, while we walk there, I'll show you. So you can do Pilates here in this room. They've got spin classes, yoga classes. Yeah, this is a great place to come and kind of like relax a little bit. This is the room to do sound bathing. So we're setting up for sound bath right now. So these are the bowls that you get to relax to. You put your head here, so basically you lay backwards, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so I think next up we're gonna take you guys over to a restaurant that we do like coming to, which is at the beach. So you really feel like you're on vacation, and it's called La Luna. So I will take you there next and show you around. So we are at La Luna. Let me show you around. What I mean by you are right at the beach. It's a little rainy today, but still warm out. There's the ocean. This is a great place. It's right in town. This is Nosara. There you go. La Luna.